Hello friends, welcome to PHP video tutorials series. In the previous video tutorials we understood how to connect to MySQL server, how to disconnect from MySQL server, how to select a database from MySQL server, how to check if a specific MySQL table exists in the server, how to insert a row or rows into a MySQL table, and how to update a row or rows of a MySQL table. In this video we understand how to delete a row or rows from a MySQL table in PHP guys. So let's get started. First I run the WAMP server. In the system tray you can see we have W icon which indicates WAMP server, and you can see our MySQL host name is localhost. I go to MySQL, click on MySQL console, and username is root. I say OK, and password is nothing guys. I hit enter. Now we are in the MySQL server. I minimize the MySQL console. I go back to system tray, click on WAMP server icon, click on www directory. We know that in the www directory we store our PHP files. I search for notepad and select it. You can see notepad is open. In the notepad I say less than $PHP and greater than. This indicates opening PHP tag. This indicates closing PHP tag. To work with MySQL server, first we need to connect to MySQL server. I'm going to copy this code, paste it here. I'm telling $connection equal to MySQLi underscore connect. First parameter is the host name, that is localhost, username root, and password empty guys. MySQLi underscore connect tries to connect to our MySQL server, that is localhost, and here we are telling if connection not happened, exclamation mark means not. If connection not happened, we display the message saying connection failed and exit. If connection is successful, we display the message saying connection successful. I'm going to save this file. I say file, save as. I save the file inside www directory with the name default.php. Both sides I put double quotations and save. I'm going to execute this PHP file. For that I launch Google Chrome and I search here localhost / default.php. I select it. You can see it is telling connection successful. That means our PHP file able to connect to the MySQL server guys. Next what we do, we select the database with which we want to work. I am going to create one database called db_college. For that I go to MySQL console. I say here show databases enter. You can see we have 4 databases in the server. We don't have db_college database. Let's create it. I say create database db_college enter. It creates a database called db_college in the server. I say show databases enter. You can see db_college database is created. I want to select this database and work with it. So how do you select db_college in PHP? Here I have the code. I copy the code and paste it here. I am telling $is database selected equal to MySQLi underscore select underscore db. First parameter is the connection. Second parameter is db_college. MySQLi underscore select underscore db checks whether db_college database is available in the server. If it is available, it selects it. Here I am checking if database is not selected. We display the message database selection failed, exit. If database is selected, we display the message saying database selection successful. Of course db_college database is available in the server. If I run the code, we get the output saying database selection successful. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see database selection successful is displayed. Next what we do, we check for the table with which we want to work. Check if a specific MySQL table exists. We are going to create one table called tbl underscore login. Let's go to MySQL console. I say use db underscore college semicolon enter. If I say here show tables semicolon enter, it is telling empty set because we don't have any table in db underscore college. Let's create a table. I say create table tbl underscore login opening bracket enter. First column name id of type integer, not null. It cannot have null values. Its value should be automatically incremented. So I say auto underscore increment comma. Next column name username of type varchar. It can have max 50 characters. It cannot have null values, so not null. And username should be unique, so I say here unique. Next column name password of type varchar, can have max 50 characters, not null, comma enter. And in this table primary key column will be id column, bracket close semicolon enter. If I say show tables, you can see tbl underscore login table is created inside db college. Now I'm going to copy this code and paste here. $query equal to select one from tbl underscore login. I'm going to execute this query using MySQLi underscore query function. First parameter is the connection, second parameter is the query itself. So this query select one from tbl login, it checks whether tbl underscore login available in the database. Okay, is it exists? Here we are checking. If table not exist, we display the message table does not exist. Otherwise we say table exists. Of course table is available. If we run the code, we get the output table exists, guys. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see it is telling table exists. That's awesome. Next we understood how to insert a row or rows into MySQL table. I'm going to copy this code and paste here. Here I have a query saying insert into tbl underscore login. We want to insert a row into tbl underscore login. First column username, second column password. Because id is automatically incremented, so we don't write here id. Username, password is there. Values we want to insert Manju and Manju123. We execute this query using MySQLi underscore query. First parameter connection, second parameter query. It executes the query on the connection and tells whether the data is inserted or not. If data is not inserted, we display the message insertion failed. If data is inserted, then we display the message saying insertion successful. If I run this code, we will get the output saying insertion successful, and in the tbl underscore login we see Manju and Manju123 inserted. I save it, go to browser and reload. You can see insertion successful. I go to MySQL console and say here select star from tbl underscore login semicolon enter. You can see Manju, Manju123 inserted. We can insert more rows. I say here Ravi and then I say here Ravi, Ravi123. I save it, go to browser and reload. It is telling insertion successful. I come to MySQL console and say select star from tbl underscore login. You can see Ravi, Ravi123 inserted. Let me insert one more row. I say Raghu and here I say Raghu123. I save it, go to browser and reload. Insertion successful. Let's say select star from tbl login. You can see Raghu, Raghu123 inserted, guys. And we know that once the operation is done, we should not forget to close the connection. For closing the connection, we use this code. I copy the code and paste here. Here I am telling $is connection closed. MySQLi close the connection. MySQLi underscore close tries to close the connection, and we are telling if not connection closed, we display the message connection closed failed. If connection is closed successfully, we display the message connection closed successful. Here I am going to insert one more row. Let's say Raj, and I say here Raj 123. Save it, go to browser and reload. Insertion successful, connection closed successful. I go here and say select star from TBL login. You can see Raj is also inserted, right? So we already know how to insert records or rows into a table, right? And we also learned how to update rows or row in a table, right? What I want to change the password of Ravi from Ravi123 to Ravi@123. I want Ravi password should be Ravi@123. For that we take help of update command, right? I'm going to copy this code from here and paste in this place. $query update TBL underscore login. Update TBL underscore login. Set password to Ravi@123 where username is equal to Ravi. We are telling password should be Ravi@123 where username is Ravi. And we are executing the query and we are checking if data is not updated. We display the message data updation failed. Otherwise we say data updation successful. Of course, if I run the code, we get the output saying data updation successful. I save it, go to browser and reload. You see data updation successful we got. And if I go here and say select star from TBL login, you see Ravi password is changed to Ravi@123. Previously it is Ravi123. Now it is Ravi@123. Let's say I want to change Manju password to Manju@123. Okay, so what I have to do, guys? Here I say set password Manju@123. Update TBL underscore login. Set password Manju@123 where username equal to MANJU Manju. I save this, go to browser and reload. Again we got data updation successful. Let's go here and say select star from TBL underscore login. You can see that the password is changed to Manju@123 where username is Manju, guys. So like this we can update the records or rows in a table using update command. In this video we understand how to delete a row or rows from MySQL table, guys. For that we use this code $query equal to delete from TBL underscore login. Delete from TBL underscore login where username equal to Ravi. We are going to execute the query using MySQL query. Is data deleted? If data is not deleted, we display the message data deletion failed. If deleted, then we display the message data deletion successful, guys. So for that I am going to delete this code from here. I write the code $query and the query is what, guys? Query is delete from TBL underscore login where username equals to Ravi. We want to remove the Ravi from the TBL login or login table, guys. Delete from TBL login where username equal to Ravi. And we have to execute this query. Here I say $is data deleted equal to MySQLi underscore query and the first parameter is connection, $connection. On this connection we have to execute this query, right? So we pass the query and then we check if data is not deleted. We display the message saying echo data deletion failed and we display the error message reason MySQLi underscore error and the parameter we pass here connection comma br and then exit. Else we say echo data deletion successful and then br. If we execute this code, of course Ravi record will be deleted, guys. Okay, let's save this file, go to browser and reload. You see it is telling data deletion successful. And if I go here and say select star from TBL login, you can see now Ravi is not available. Let me delete Raj also. So how do we delete Raj? Simply we say here delete from TBL login where username is Raj. I save it, go to browser and reload. Data deletion successful is displayed. Let's go here and see select star from TBL login. You can see Raj is also deleted. So like this, we can delete a row or rows from MySQL table in PHP. For that we use delete from command, guys. I hope you guys have clearly understood. I suggest you people to try everything yourself, experiment, you get more idea, guys. If you like this video, hit the like button and share with your friends so that everyone will get benefited. For more benefits and be up to date, do not forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Keep learning, keep coding, keep sharing. Thank you guys. Thank you very much. See you in the next tutorial.